would like to express my profound appreciation and that of my accompanying delegation to the government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for the hospitality and warm reception we have received during this visit. This visit comes as a result of the meeting between His Excellency the Prime Minister and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, after which the Crown Prince instructed that this delegation be formed and come in very quick succession after that meeting to follow up on the discussions, the very fruitful discussions between the two leaders. And we have had a productive series of meetings already with our counterparts, with our colleagues. We have also had the honor of meeting His Excellency the President and the Prime Minister. And during all of these meetings, we stressed the importance and the strategic depth of this relationship. We stressed the commitment of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to further exploring avenues to deepen and strengthen that relationship, and we heard a similar commitment from our colleagues on the Pakistani side. We were extremely impressed by the very, very proactive attitude that we saw in our meetings, especially with the Investment Council. We saw a very, very strong business-focused approach on addressing the challenges, addressing the opportunities, highlighting the work that we can do together. And I feel very, very confident that the results of this visit and the results of the work being done between the two respective teams, with this attitude, with this approach of focus on results, focus on overcoming hurdles, will deliver significant benefits for both of our countries, will significantly accelerate the process of achieving those investments that we are looking at together. And I can say that there is significant opportunity to increase the level of investment that is already on the table, and we saw today significant other opportunities that we can pursue. So I think this is a very, very positive visit from our perspective, at least, and the engagement that we have had so far lays the groundwork for significant and important work to be done in the next few months in order to achieve all of the potential that exists. And we believe in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia very strongly in the potential that Pakistan holds, especially in the economic development side. There is a lot of untapped potential that is clear to everyone. It just needs to be tapped, and here, working together, we will do what we can with our colleagues in the government of Pakistan to make that happen.